If you're wanting an everyday simple pantry meal, try these barbecue sliders.
And we're going to use one of our very favorite products to use, King's Hawaiian rolls.
And we start it with, of course, browning a pound of beef with some garlic. In our case, we're using dried minced onions, but you use fresh onions if you like. So just saute that up and then just spice it with some salt and some pepper.
Now you could add something like paprika into it if you wanted to. This one is completely how you want to spice it up. We didn't go too heavy on the spices. We let the barbecue sauce talk for us.
Now for rolls, we're simply using King's Hawaiian rolls.
The little slider ones, we love these. We've made lots of them. If you want to see the other ones that we've made, check out our channel.
For this particular recipe, we're only going to make a half dozen because we're just having a simple dinner here. So whatever your family needs, that's what you make. And you're simply going to slice these rolls in half. Be sure to cut straight. Put them in a little baking dish.
And I love that we had one that was almost perfectly sized for 6 of these little slider buns.
And then add your hamburger mixture.
You could also use ground turkey here if you wanted to. We're not ground turkey fans, so we're not going to use it, but that is another option if you're looking for something other than ground beef.
Now at this point, you are going to put your barbecue sauce on. Now you could also cook this with the meat. We chose simply to top it, but this is just straight up plain barbecue sauce.
I think this is Bucky's barbecue sauce, isn't it?
I believe you're correct.
It's not Bucky's, it's probably Sweet Baby Ray's. Those are the two we use the most.
And then we're going to top it with a pickle because at least where we're from, barbecue and pickles go together.
And I love pickles like I love olives, and that's a whole lot. So we're adding some sliced up dill pickles. You could omit the pickles. You could use bread and butter pickles.
You could also put cheese on here if you wanted. And then we're also adding a little bit of bacon for just a little extra flavor. And then some onion. These are dried onions.
Like the ones that you put on green bean casserole.
Fried onions, I should say.
Or French. French is dried onions. You could also use jalapeno, the dried jalapenos.
And then we're going to top it with some cheese.
And I think this was a blend, a cheese blend, but you could use cheddar. In fact, I think cheddar would probably be really good because cheddar and barbecue sauce and pickles always seem to be
they just
really
go
good.
together.
Yeah, they're good together, like peas and carrots.
So just top that off. Now before you put it into the oven, you're going to want to baste the top of it with a little bit of melted butter. And then you could also top it with some poppy seeds or sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds or everything bagel seasoning or Dano's seasoning.
All those are valid options for this. We didn't do it in this case. However, you do want to butter the top of this so that it's nice and flavorful and the bread doesn't dry out. And then into the oven. And what comes out is this beautiful looking barbecue beef slider. So if you like this recipe, comment, let us know if you make it, and then watch this video next for another great recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.